Hello guys, welcome to MojoCAD once again. So as we all know, we are basically making this simple mini working tractor. Yeah, and in today's tutorial we shall be looking at the plough, this one, and how I was able to come up with it, yeah, from scratch. So allow me show you this. This is it. Yeah, so that's what we are going to be doing today. So please, if you're new here, consider subscribing, like, share, and also comment. Yeah, at the end of these videos I'll be able to share with you the different files of these CAD models. Thank you so much. You can also get me on Fiverr, you can get me on Pinterest, Payhip. Yes, so I think we can jump straight away into today's tutorial. Yes, so I'll start with the right plane and I will make a simple center rectangle. It is measuring 10 millimeters by 40 centimeters, which is 400 millimeters, just like that. Yes, and also I'm going to do a sketch in the front plane, just like that. I'm going to use a spline with degree 5. So I'll just try to make a curve that is somehow smooth. Like that. From this point to this point, I'm going to give it 290 millimeters, just like that. Then I'm going to exit the sketch and I will do the swept base. Yeah, so I'll select this and I'll say okay. Yeah, so this is like our curve of the plough. Yeah, yes, it is here. First curve of the plough. Yeah, so you can modify the spline accordingly until you feel like no, it's okay. Yeah, so from here the next step is going to be, shall still do the front plane. Yeah, and with this sketch, so I'm going to sketch from around here. Yes, come like this, like this, and also make simple curve like that. Then straighten up. Yeah, so to dimension this from that point to this point, we have 60 millimeters. Then this guy, this line is 103.72 millimeters. Then the angle of inclination here is 158 degrees, like that. And the length of this line is 421.36, just like that. Then the radius of this curve is 108.54 degrees here. However, I'd like to do a simple change because It's too sharp. Yeah, it's too sharp. Let me try to. So something like that. Let's see what we shall have. Yeah, so this is going to be 108.54. These are millimeters. Then we are going to have a length of 329.16, like that. Then the angle between this line and this line here is 21.85. Then this, yeah, it's closer to a 90. Yes. Yeah, so basically this is it. This is what we have here. Other way we could do this, could come and give this 90 degrees. Yeah, and we leave this angle the way it is, which is 22 degrees. Yes, I think we shall go with this. The length of this line is 445.56 millimeters. It's like that. Yeah. So first put it to normal. Then let me do this, I think, once and for all. The line here, come and connect it around there. So we can give this a height of 62 millimeters, and this one 37.17. Oops. Anyway, it will be collapsing. So let me first give it the angle. And 133. Yeah. Then we shall maintain this as 62. Just like that. So next step here is going to be using the world mates actually. Yeah, so we shall come here, select our 4040 4mm. That's what is in the library. So for now we can use that. Come and select these points. Yeah. So for this case, you can say okay. Then you can go back and select. For now, let's use the 2020. Though, yeah, that can also be used like this. Yes. So what you're going to do here is to trim this part so that you don't have a portion entering into the disk. Yeah, so you come here and say trim, stroke extend, select that, then select this. So they're telling us discard whatever that has gone through the disk, then keep whatever that has remained. Shall say okay for this part. Shall do the same for this lower support, whereby shall select this, They will tell us yes, body 1 discard, then 1 keep. Say all right. Yeah, so that is it. It's fine and smooth. Can all see. Yeah, so the next part is going to be putting the mounting holes. Yeah, you can come here and say put to normal, or you can press Ctrl 8 to put it to normal. Then shall come and say, yeah, so these holes are a bit offset because of the flange that is already on the frame. Yeah, that's why I've not centered it. So it is measuring diameter of 9 millimeters like that. Then you are going to use the So here we have 21.63 like that. You can all see that it is offset from the center line. Yeah, so from there we shall use the linear pattern, whereby for the x shall use 1, then for y shall use 9, and dimension of the distance between those points shall use 40 millimeters. The entity to be selected is this. We shall change the direction to that. Do we say okay? So after confirming, we shall just extrude cut, use through all, so that it goes all the way, just like that. Yeah, hope everyone is following up to this point. So the last part is going to be giving our disc, this one here, a better shape. Yeah, so how are we doing that? Remember, it was in the right plane, so we shall select it, then we put to normal, just like this. So from here we can start to do a simple sketch that will enable us to cut through this material. Yeah, so for us to do that, can come here, sketch, can slightly go down, and come like this. Here you can go up slightly. Don't want any attachment, that's why we've gone to a different direction. Yeah, so we shall give this 96 millimeters. Yeah, and we shall give this 114.9. Just like that. This part will be given let's see, 64.3 millimeters, and it is at an angle of 116 degrees, just like that. Yeah, so from here we are going to try to do a simple curve like this, coming like this, then da. Okay, so we shall use a spline, then style spline. We use a degree 5 spline. Okay, so you come here, you just trace or flow smoothly. It is the goal, like this, this, like this, like this, like that. Yeah, that is the left hand side. Yeah, so the next part is going to be on the right hand side, this left hand side, so we are going for the right hand side. Yeah, shall come here and draw a simple line. Draw a simple line. Just like that. Then we go down. Yeah, so from here up to here, shall say we have 82.02. Then here, shall say we have 123 millimeters. It's like that. Then you have 60. Like that. The angle is given by 142 minute. Yeah, this first one is 116. Like that. Then this other one is 142.4 degrees. So please feel free to pause the video and try to follow through. And this is 63.2 to 6. It's like that. Yeah, so the other part, just the way it has come out, shall leave it, shall come and just close it off like this. Yeah, so we are going to extrude cut through all. See what we shall have. Hopefully should be able to come. Yes, so basically this is how I did the plough for the hole for our silage making machine. So you can go ahead and give it maybe material. Yeah, some are from cast alloy steel, so you can have that. You can also try to beautify this point, yeah, because of the different angles that are involved. But yes, thank you for watching. Please, if you're new here, consider subscribing, and also in case of any questions, you can comment in the comment section below. Thank you so much. We meet in the next video.